straight back, Brian?
Yeah, hold on. Doing a whole heat or half?
Whole heat.
Yep. Light's good.
So,
Rejuvenator.
Explain what you're going to do.
Okay, I'm going to start by raking the edges, making a perimeter, staying approximately 3 inches inside of the heated edge. The heated edge is actually out here. Square it off, rake into the middle, and come to the outside edge.
Hey, the nice thing about this, Mike, is you're going to be able to add time to your season, and you're going to be able to work in colder days. The thing is, you just got to work a little faster, but you can see the advantage of having a 218X. But Brian's outlining it really nicely, getting in there really easily, and it's hard work, but it's good, fast, seamless patching. Kelly's now adding the rejuvenator. Bring back the multines and the volatiles. And then we're gonna take some shovelfuls to bring it back up to grade.
Hold on, we got it. Keep hands up.
How long is this process taking you, Brian?
We heat it for about 8 minutes. We'll have another 5 minutes into this end of it, and then we'll move the machine shortly after. We'll do the second repair.
So you would heat the second area while you're working the first, eh?
It's heating right now.
And how much asphalt are you going to use in this patch, because you are recycling in place?
We'll only use 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 shovelfuls. How heavy is that, Kelly? You've been working out?
Yeah.
20 pounds?
So you're actually recycling this whole patch, and you're making a seamless patch.
Good. Yep. There'll be no joint for water seepage. It'll be level.
And so
Flat.
it's safe to say that this whole process is going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes.
2
per
heats.
patch.
Yes.
So it's pretty safe to say that while you're not hooked up to a trailer, you're not hooked up to a truck, this is probably a little bit quicker than having like a truck unit or.
Yeah, in this case it's quick, easy. The machine is maneuverable. Obviously, during the heat down the middle, you have to follow the contour of the pavement. Taking the pothole, taking something out of the middle.
So this would be a great tool for pavers,
Excellent machine for pavers.
and that's because you're getting a little bit more lineal than you would on like a little square 4x4 unit.
Yes. Sorry guys, sorry about this crappy moving. Kelly will pinch the edges first.
Kelly did. Brian needed the edges so we can pinch them in there real nice and tight, and just makes for a real nice seamless patch. And you can see there's zero transition by looking at the face of the loop. Now you go get paid. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Kelly.